Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a Kalki movie font design. Um, I will provide this link in description. Here if you come means there is Kalki, just click it. Yeah, it's loading. Download these pictures. Now I added just two pictures with texture. Download it guys, it's a totally DP design. Font name is deltha. Deltha font TTF download. Yeah, this one. Font name is deltha font. Go and download it guys. Just download. What's going to happen? Okay, just click download. Add advertisement. Yeah, this is exactly a zip, so I'm going to extract it. If you don't have inbuilt extractor means download 7-zip from Play Store and extract it guys. I have one special folder called MF. Where is MF? Guys, did you see MF? Yeah, this one. Yeah, extract. Yeah, it's extracting. For movie font design we're going to use Pixel app. If you don't have Pixel app means download it from Play Store. Yeah, this app. Cancel. Now click plus. It's located on top left corner from gallery. Yeah, this one. Guys, I moved. That is a video recorder countdown guys. If you don't get this time in Pixel app, okay. Now again plus. Now text. I'm going to sorry. Just I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, again plus. I'm going to move here add your name. Now I'm going to add tag-log ID fully capital. Yeah, increase the font size. Now click A, then font. Yeah, my fonts. Now I need to click plus. Sorry guys. Delta font. Yeah, I'm going to choose delta TTF, not OTF. Yeah, this one. Yeah, choose the now. Okay. Now relative position to center. Yeah, okay. Go to font size. It's too much big guys. I don't know. Okay, I'm using this too. Now again relative position. Where is relative position? Center. Yeah, that's it. Now texture. Choose from gallery. Yeah, this one. Take. Click enabled. Yeah. That's it guys. By this way you can do it for another background also. Now click and save as image. That's it guys. By this way you can you can design Kalki movie font, design your own name or your page name, or you can here do happy birthday bro, happy birthday Prabhas, happy birthday blah blah blah. You can write anything here guys. Okay, for more movie fonts stay tuned on our YouTube channel. If you want any movie fonts means please let me know in comment section guys. Bye bye.